Hey guys, welcome to my channel and join me on my journey to writing one ebook in 24 hours, and it has to be a good ebook. Okay, so I'm not going to be sitting out here in this park or at this community center the whole time I'll be filming this, but I couldn't get a room up there, so that's why I'm out here for now to do the intro. So welcome to my channel. I have written a little bit about me. I have written ebooks before, like maybe one. Yeah, like one. It was like a regular book, and that was also an ebook. But I'm just going to focus on writing like a 10-page ebook, make it look really good on Canva. I'll do market research first. I'll show you guys how to do market research with Ahrefs and then Amazon and some search tools that's free and paid ones. And then we'll go into, once you pick your topic, your niche, who you care about, we'll go into the title, like how to actually write it, where to write it. I will write mine probably in Google Docs first or Word, and then transfer that onto Chapterly, which is like, this is a cool organizer to keep all your book in regular chapters in a good space. I used that before with an ebook that I published in the summer. That was actually really easy to use. So, and also we'll go over like how to make a cover on Canva and using AI, also Midjourney, to make a good cover. And then lastly, actually how to get sales from the ebook by posting it or uploading it on Amazon or your own website. I have my own website, capghostwriting.com, and I have a store there, and I can upload my ebook right there as a digital product. But my goal is to make $1,000, I'll say in a week, with my ebook by doing like Pinterest marketing. I heard that was like a really big thing that I wanted to try. Pinterest marketing, maybe Facebook groups, ads. So we got some ads going on. I'll probably have like, how much do I want to spend on this? Maybe $100. Let's go with $100, and hopefully we can 10x that return, make $1,000. All right, so stay tuned.